Oh, hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel, I'm CryptoB. And today I bring to you guys here how I find all my 100x gem. 1,000 to 100,000. Is that possible? Well, if it's possible, only in crypto. This is a very fast video, by the way. It's to introduce to you. I done a video before here on token metrics. You guys can go ahead and have a look on that as well. But it's because of the Black Friday. We're gonna have a fantastic discount on token metrics, and because I am an affiliate for token metrics, and I really like the tool. I believe there is so many opportunities that you can find through the token metrics tool, analytics. I'm going to show you right now. But basically, you come to any of my videos, or in fact, in the description of this video over here, you can go there and you can click the link. So basically, it will be just like that. So any video go of mine. So even on the description of this video, as you guys can see here, token metrics, just click on it and you will have a very sweet discount for Black Friday. Okay. So let me share with you guys over here. We are on token metrics, as you guys see here. This is where I do find my hidden gems, and there is plenty. If you go through that video, you can, I go really in details how you can find everything, how everything works. But in fact, I'm gonna do something nicer. If you stayed with me until now, I'm gonna give you something even nicer. By the way, Bonk is doing good, guys. Bonk is doing good. I do hold Bonk. I think it might be the next meme coins. If there is a meme coins rally, I think Bonk will do very well, especially because it's in Solana. But this video is not about Bonk, it's about token metrics. So if, for example, if you go here to the chat AI, guys, this is an AI for crypto. So if I type here, give me, should I say please to the AI? I mean, what if the AI conquer the world? So please give me the potential next 100x micro cap token. Let's see if the bot will understand what I'm saying and make some track questions. So give me the potential next 100x micro cap token. Let's see. Astrobot is thinking. So let's see what they think. Let's see what they say. I cannot provide a personalized investment advice, but I can share token metrics data and analytics with you. According to token metrics analytics, the potential next 100x micro cap tokens are, and there we go, we have 10 tokens over here that you can go. So these tokens have a TM investor grade of 70%, which is very good if you are investing. Okay, this score here on token metrics, indicating a good long-term investment potential. They also have relatively low, fully diluted valuation, which is great, suggesting room for significant growth in the future. Please note that investing in the micro cap tokens carries a higher risk. Of course, you guys know that nothing that I say should be taken financial advice, but these are definitely tokens. Look, I'm already giving you guys 10 gems over here. So scale, and then of course I always take here, and then I will go here on token metrics, and I'm gonna check for the token, because let's take Phantom, FTM here. There we go. So we go Phantom, and then here I will get all the information I need for Phantom, all, you know, website, Twitter, everything, circulating supply, total supply, fully diluted evaluation. On the token metric trading, for people trading, I have here the ROI, if is giving me bullish or bearish. You can follow here if you're trading in Phantom, and then you can go to the investor tab over here, and then you can have the fundamentals plus the ROI over here as well for Phantom if you're investing in the long term. You can go for the fundamentals and check all the information we need to know in order if the token is a good investment. There is the grading fundamentals over here. Guys, this tool, it's unbelievable good. And then I go to scenario analysis. I love this because it gives you an estimate and how much the price would be. So how much would Phantom be if the market cap, the global market cap goes to between 5 and 10 trillion dollar. And then with a dominance at 0.6 at the moment, which is around those two over here, we would see the price going up to $3, $1 to $3. But the dominance would grow, right? If everything's running, we might see dominance around here. So if everything goes well, we can see token around $5 to $20 on Phantom. $5 to $20. Oh, it's a crazy prediction, but if the global market cap goes around 5 to 10 or even 15 trillion dollar, this is a very potentially a very doable for Phantom. More the things, and then I can go here research. Okay, so I go to research there. I check over here. I will sign in. You can sign in. Okay, and then you get all the hidden gems, the 100x show, the deep dive, the code reviews. So there is reviews, there is webinars, there is amazing stuff. And now Tokenmetrics just launched the VIP. So yes, you can be part of the VIP. There is a plan for VIP. And everybody who's on that VIP, it's also for VCs, for people who want to actually be on the seed round, people who really want to start when the project launch before being on the open market. So you guys can also be part of that as well. So there's a plan for that. There's a basic plan. There's a free plan. So I mean, you have nothing to lose, right? So there's a free plan. If you don't like it, just don't go up on the other plans. But there's a free plan where there is few things that you can check. Other things, you need a higher plan, of course. And yeah, let me just open very fast here. So this is a tool that I use. You guys know that I mentioned this probably all my videos because I do take most of my information there. And then I will research that information everywhere. So it's, for me, is a tool that I use. Which token is for trading, what token is for investing, all the relevant information that I need for the day. And then from there I will take, and then I'll go to other places. So for me, Tokenmetrics is absolutely amazing. And if you find this video value, I mean, if you don't have Tokenmetrics account, you can go here on the description of this video and you can get there. There is a free plan. You can go and check if you actually like the whole tool to use or not. And then of course, if you use the link below, you do help my channel a lot. And guys, I'll catch you on the next video, or maybe in another stream.